I want to teach as many people how to save U.S. taxes legally with the Spendthrift Trust. It's legal, it's in the IRS Tax Code 643B. The law firm I work on behalf of was started 78 years ago by a Harvard law professor. He wrote 5 specific taxes, and so few people have ever heard of this. There's going to be the business trust that saves federal and state income taxes year after year, generation after generations. Number 2, the business trust, the beneficial trust is for all investors. You'll stop paying taxes on profits. Number 3, if you have mineral rights, maybe have oil wells, shale rights, coal rights, you'll stop paying taxes on all your profits. Number 4, if you want to start your own charity and give back to your community, you can have a charitable trust. Number 5, the senior trust for anyone over 65 who is incapacitated. Maybe they've had a stroke or dementia. My name is Sally Gimmon, and on April 4th of 2020, when my CPA called me to say congratulations, that my tax bracket was from 22% to 24% and I owed $94,000 in taxes, I told him I only had $50,000 saved. His solution was to set up an appointment with him, get on a payment plan, pay interest and penalties. That's a solution? I researched how the rich save taxes, and in September of 2020, I started both my business and beneficial spendthrift trust. My goal is to teach this to as many other people as possible so they too can learn the secret of the rich. Today's example is a couple from Maryland that have a franchise fitness center. The wife had seen some information on YouTube and reached out to me. This was in 2025. I took their numbers from 2025 and I put them to 2026 taxes, so you'll see the differences. With saving federal income taxes, they are going to save $50,056 in 2026. Maryland state income taxes, I believe at 5.5%, was going to be $12,650. For the full year, they're going to save $62,706, or per month, $5,225. This is their money to put back into their business, to pay off their mortgage, to buy a new vehicle, take their family on a well-deserved vacation, set up college funds for their 2 sons, give to your favorite charity, or save for retirement. When you start the trust, any of the trusts, we are going to get you a new EIN number and a letter to the bank to set up the new bank account. All the receivables go into that new bank account. You pay all your employees, pay all your bills, the electric company, everybody else out of that bank account. You'll have access to that money with a debit card or going into the bank and getting cash out. And then when tax time, you're going to file a 1041 tax return. We introduce you to the CPA who will do this for you. It's 100% your decision if you use a CPA we introduce you to or the one you're using. We also have an entire team that's going to educate you how to use the trust correctly. You're not out there by yourself. If you want to find out more about how much you could be saving in federal and state income taxes with the business trust, no longer pay capital gains taxes, interest income taxes, dividend income taxes, royalty income taxes, or rental income taxes with the beneficial trusts, I would love for you to set up a free 30-minute tax breakthrough session with me. I'm going to take you out to NerdWallet to show you to figure out your tax bracket, figure out if you file single, head of household, where you're divorced and have children, 18 or younger, living in your household, married filing separately, or married filing jointly. Ladies and gentlemen, you're going to learn something new here today. If you are married, please file jointly. You'll save double in the taxes because quietly on January 1st, the IRS changed married filing separately to match single, the most expensive way to file your taxes. If you want to learn the secret of the rich, please set up a free 30-minute tax breakthrough session with me. It'll be in the notes. Why wouldn't you want to know how to save taxes? Have a beautiful day. Take care.